If you only eat fruit for 72 hours, this is what happens to your body. After 12 hours, you will start burning bad fat, and your body will enter a vegetative burning state, which means you will start using stored fat as an energy source. After 24 hours, your digestion will improve, your body will begin to digest and absorb the nutrients in the fruit, and the dietary fiber will reduce bloating and relieve stomach swelling and pain. After 48 hours, you will feel less sick, and the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in the fruit will stimulate your immune system. After 72 hours, your organs will undergo detoxification. The body will reap the benefits of digestive rest and detoxification. You will feel more energetic, your skin will be clearer, and you will also have anti-aging effects. The best fruits to eat on this diet include antioxidant-rich berries, fiber-rich apples, vitamin C-rich oranges and grapefruits, vitamin K and fiber-rich kiwis, and antioxidant-rich pomegranates.
Thank you for watching.